Hello, Aldo fam, and welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial, I will show you how to add ruffles on a basic sleeve. So if you want to see how, keep on watching. Now that I have the sleeves cut out already, I am going to measure the width of the sleeve. Using some of the leftover fabric, I am going to cut out a strip of fabric that measures about double the size of the width of the sleeve, and it's going to be 2 inches wide. So basically the width of the sleeve is 10 inches, so I'm going to make the strip of fabric about 20 inches long because you want to double the amount of fabric so you will have a good volume or good amount of ruffles. After that, I am going to do a basting stitch on the top edge of the strip of fabric, and then I'm going to lightly gather it to match the width of the sleeves. Going to sew the ruffle on the sleeve. I am going to match right sides together, and I'm going to do a stretch stitch or a narrow zigzag stitch so the thread will not break. I will repeat the same step on the other sleeve. Now that the sleeves are ready, I can now sew it on the dress. If you want to watch the first part of this dress tutorial, I'm going to have the link in the description box below or at the end screen so you can go ahead and check it out. So this is what the sleeves looks like. I absolutely love it. It just gives an extra detail to a rather plain dress. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!